Your home's doors are more than just entry points. They play a vital role in security, energy efficiency, and overall curb appeal. Over time, however, even the sturdiest doors can show signs of wear and tear. For Smithtown homeowners, recognizing when it's time for door replacement can save money, improve comfort, and add value to your property. If you've been wondering whether your doors need an upgrade, here are the top signs to look for. Drafts and poor energy efficiency. One of the most common signs it's time for a new door is feeling drafts, even when the door is closed. Higher utility bills. Drafts force your HVAC system to work harder, driving up energy costs. Worn seals and gaps. Over time, weather stripping and frames can break down, letting air slip through. Better replacements. Modern doors come with advanced insulation and energy-efficient materials that help keep your Smithtown home comfortable year-round. If you notice your energy bills creeping higher, your door could be part of the problem. Visible damage or warping. Doors face daily use and exposure to the elements. Cracks, dents, or chips. These not only look unsightly but can also weaken the structure. Warping or swelling. In Smithtown's humid summers or cold winters, wood doors may expand, shrink, or twist, making them difficult to open or close. Compromised integrity. A damaged door is less effective at keeping out intruders and the weather. Replacing a damaged door restores both function and aesthetics. Difficulty opening and closing. A door should open and close smoothly. If yours doesn't, it's a clear red flag. Sticking or jamming. This can indicate warping, frame damage, or worn hinges. Loose or squeaky hinges. Over time, these can make the door unstable. Security risks. A door that doesn't close properly can leave your home vulnerable. A new door will restore seamless operation and provide peace of mind. Outdated appearance. Sometimes, the need for a new door isn't about damage, it's about style. Faded paint or finishes. Over time, exposure to sun and weather can make your door look dull. Mismatched design. If you've updated your home's exterior, your door may no longer match. Curb appeal boost. A stylish new door is one of the fastest ways to upgrade your home's first impression. For Smithtown homeowners looking to sell, replacing an outdated door can significantly increase resale value. Noise and poor insulation. Does your door let in every sound from the street? Modern replacements can fix that. Thin or hollow core doors. Older designs may not block noise effectively. Poor seals. Gaps allow both air and sound to filter in. Modern solutions. New insulated and solid core doors reduce noise, creating a quieter, more relaxing home. This upgrade is especially valuable for homes in busier Smithtown neighborhoods. Security concerns. Your door is the first line of defense for your home. Worn locks or hardware. These weaken your home's safety. Weak frames. Over time, frames can shift or crack, making forced entry easier. Upgraded options. Modern doors often come with reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, and impact-resistant materials. A replacement door not only looks better but also provides stronger protection for your family. Final thoughts for Smithtown homeowners. Doors are an essential part of comfort, security, and style. Drafts, visible damage, outdated looks, or poor performance are all clear signs it's time to consider door replacement. By upgrading to modern, energy-efficient, and stylish doors, you'll enjoy lower utility bills, enhanced curb appeal, and greater peace of mind. If your doors are showing any of these signs, now is the perfect time to invest in a replacement that matches both the character of your Smithtown home and your lifestyle.